Hi, Michael. It's Alexia. I just finished reading your essay, and I'm just going to jump right in and say that your introduction was very good. I was very happy with it. I like the way that you told me, how first person point of view is going to make the story more emotional, personal, detailed. I think those are really good points, and I like that you clearly outlined what they would be. Um, just one thing that I did highlight was um, you start off your body paragraphs with first, second, and then last, which there's nothing wrong with that, but to make your essay sound more sophisticated, more educated, you could replace those. I gave you a suggestion for that, which you can see right here. So I said you could do something like, in addition to seeing how Sarah feels emotionally, first person point of view um, also allows the reader to, instead of you just saying first, second, or last, it would just, kind of make your essay sound a little more sophisticated. But it's not a huge deal. I just thought, for future essays that you go on and write, that would be useful. Um, One thing I really did love is this first sentence of your first body paragraph where you said, first, the Confederate girl Sarah said that she can't live without her sister, she'll get the blues. I really like that you said the blues instead of just saying sad. I feel like that's just a nice way to kind of spice up your writing. I would, however, reword that sentence and just say something like, first person point of view gives the reader an understanding of what Sarah, the Confederate girl, is feeling. For example, she tells the reader that she can't live without her sister because she will feel blue. That just, would make it sound prettier and make a little more sense. Also, I think right here you say second, you can tell if it's first person point of view. I think that that would be really good to have in your introduction paragraph instead of in the middle of a random body paragraph. I think that it is important that you do specifically say what first person point of view is, but I would say that in the introduction, just so you keep your focus very sharp in your body paragraphs. I also highlighted about the quotation that you put. I think it's great that you put a quotation, makes you more credible and believable. So I think you did a good job with that. And um, the last point that I will make is kind of a broad suggestion, but this last paragraph that you have, obviously you can see it's pretty short. I think that you had a good point in your last paragraph, but I think you should add more detail as with, all the paragraphs that you have. Your essay was a little short, and I would just try and add as much detail as possible. Specifically for this last paragraph, I would add another detail that, the reader wouldn't know unless Sarah told us. So I would just add another little detail here and there. But other than that, I think you did a really good job, and this is off to a really good start. So thank you for letting me read it.